Next one will be for a 2020 Transit Connect. This will work for a regular Transit as well. And this will be with my IM508S. All the equipment here, including the aftermarket key as well as the IM508, was provided by Key4 as always. All the links will be in the description. We are now at the vehicle with the cut key. We insert the key. Just leave the ignition off for now. Let me plug in the OBD right here to the left of the, under the steering wheel to the left. Except right here, we are on the main menu of the IM508. We're gonna go to Ford. You know what, let me take the key out so we don't keep hearing that noise. There we are. All right, sorry about that, guys. Let's do manual selection since I know what it is. It's Transit Connect. It's gonna be a 2020. So we're going to Ford, we're going to USA, and then Transit Connect right here. And then we'll go 2019 to and up, and it's gonna be a blade key. Press yes right there. It'll bring up the options of what we can do. We're gonna go straight to hot function. Yeah, he's 17. And we're gonna press add key. Now we can put the key in. Turn the ignition on. This is the new key right here. We don't need the customer's key. You can do this even if all keys lost, the same procedure. We don't need the customer's key. This is just adding a key on. And now we're gonna press start. If the customer lost their keys and needs something reset or something like that, you know, they're worried about somebody finding their keys. You can do all keys lost, but you will need two new keys. All right, and now we're gonna press yes from here, and now it's gonna run through the IMMO reading. There we go. Success right there. And it's going to show you on add key, it's going to show you how many keys are already learned. So we got 4 keys already in there. We can believe we can have up to 8. I believe 6 to 8 keys. So now we're going to press OK. Turn ignition off. We don't really need to. It's more of an optional. So then we'll press OK here, and that's when we will hear the door cycle. There it is. All right, awesome. And then we got learning successful. Do you want to learn the next key? No, we're only learning 1 key. So now we're at a current number of 5 keys. And we are all done here. Let's make sure this turns on for us. There we are. That option right there. Make sure that the remote is working. There it is. All right, all done.